Hello everyone. Welcome back to Rishi Academy, a platform for online classes. I request each and everyone, please like my channel. Please subscribe my channel and try to share my channel. In this video, I want to discuss how to create foreign key in SQL. Creating a foreign key in SQL. So we already discussed how to create a primary key in SQL. Today I want to discuss creating foreign key in SQL. Before going to create a foreign key, we need to learn what is foreign key. Foreign key is an attribute or collection of attributes which is used to connect two tables. It is an attribute or collection of attributes. That attribute or collection of attributes reference a column in another table. It points a column in another table. Means I want to connect two tables together. So there should be a common column. That column should be primary key in one table and it acts as a secondary attribute or secondary key in another table. The table with the primary key is called as parent table. The table with a foreign key is called as child table. Child table consists of foreign key, parent table consists of primary key. So the key, foreign key, references the parent table. Why? Because it has the primary key. Right? Look at the example here. I took two tables here, student table and course table. The course table has CID, student table also has CID. In this, I mentioned the CID is the primary key, and in student table, CID is the foreign key. Now, here, course table is the parent table. Why? Because it has the primary key. The common column here is the CID. So the table with the primary key is called as parent table. The table with the foreign key is called as child table. So now student is the child table. Student is the child table. Course is the parent table. So CID and CID are the common columns in both the tables. So we need to create a course table with the two attributes CID and CNAME. In that, CID is the primary key. And second table, student table. In that, we need to create four attributes: all ticket number, name, age, and CID. In this, we need to make CID as foreign key, right? So before going to create foreign key, you must and should create a table with primary key. Without creating primary key, you cannot create foreign key, right? So what is the general syntax of creating a primary key in any table? What is the general syntax? Look at this. This is the general syntax. General syntax here. So create table, table name, column 1 data type, column 2 data type, and so on. After writing all the columns, just write the keyword foreign key. Then write the column name which you want to make foreign key. References is another keyword. Which table it references? That is parent table. The foreign key always references the parent table in that a common column. So here I took column 1 as a common column in both the tables. So write the common column name here. At example here, I took create table student. I want to create a foreign key in student table. So it has 4 attributes or 5 attributes: all ticket number, SNAME, where, age, number, CID, number. So I want to make CID as foreign key. I want to make CID as foreign key. So foreign key, CID here, and references CID in course table. So you are making CID as foreign key, right? There should be primary key in another table. The other table is course table. So course table has CID as primary key, right? Without creating primary key, you cannot create foreign key. So first you need to create a table which consists of primary key Then create a table which consists of foreign key. Let's look at SQL command line. I want to show how to create a primary key. Yes, so first to connect the database, connect system and the password, right? Database connected. So first you need to create the table. Which table? In the PPT, there are two tables. One is course table and student table. Course table is the parent table and student is the child table. First, you need to create the parent table. So create table course. It has two attributes. One is CID. Data type is number. I'm taking number 3 means I want to store 3-digit number. Then make it as primary key. Primary key, comma. Second attribute CNAME. CNAME varchar of 20. Right. Table created. Parent table created, where the CID is the primary key. Now you need to create a student table which consists of CID as foreign key. So create table. Table name is I want to create student. And the first attribute HTNO all ticket number. Number in that I want to store 3 digits, comma S name, student name, varchar. I want to store 20 characters here. And age, I want to store 3-digit number, 3, comma, then CID. Data type must be same in parent table as well as child table. The data type here is number. So number 3, right? Now I want to make CID as a foreign key. So for that foreign key, what is the foreign key? CID is the foreign key, which references which table? Course table. In that which attribute? CID, right? Then put semicolon, press enter. Table created. Now look at describe the tables DESC. Which table first? First table is course. Course table, right? CID is the primary key. Here not null means so CID will not allow the user to store null values, right? So that is primary key should not contain null value or duplicate value. So CID is the primary key here. DSC student. Here foreign key. Here CID is the foreign key. CID, the foreign key allows the user to enter null values as well as duplicate values. So in this, which one is the primary key? Which one is the foreign key? CID is the primary key. This is PK. I'm writing PK here. This is the primary key. And in this, CID is the foreign key. CID is the foreign key, right? So what is the use of creating foreign key? So to connect these two tables, I want to connect these two tables. To connect these two tables, there should be a common column, right? That common column here is CID. These two are connected by using foreign key. So if you want to retrieve the data from multiple tables, it is better to create foreign key. It is better to connect those two tables by using foreign key. This is the way we can create the foreign key. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Once again, I request each and every viewer to like my channel, to subscribe my channel, and try to share my videos with your friends, colleagues, family members. Thank you one and all.